Hello everyone, welcome to my Banklify review. At first, I would like to ask you two questions. What if you could click your mouse once and have a fully functional ClickBank affiliate site with your link? And what if these sites ranked itself on Google page 1 overnight? It sounds incredible, right? But this is what Banklify will do for you. Basically, Banklify is a cloud-based software that creates multiple ClickBank affiliate sites with your link in seconds. And it also ranked those sites in Google Page 1 with their powerful backlinking overnight. All you have to do is just provide the software or a keyword and your ClickBank affiliate ID, and Banklify will do rest of the work for you. And in my video I'll discuss everything about Banklify, how it works, its price, its upgrades, everything. And I will also show inside the members area and show everything how it works step by step. So keep watching my video. So with Banklify, you can enjoy the passive commissions from the hottest offers on ClickBank. We know that ClickBank had lots of products under different categories, and if suppose we select the fitness and weight loss category, and there are a lot of keywords we can work for this. Like if you search for best weight loss diet, see, there are lots of results. And what if your content could place in this first page, and hope you can understand what will happen then. You can earn tons of money then, and you don't have to do any of the works for it, because Banklify will do everything for you. Because Banklify has a done for you content creation tool. With this, your content will created automatically and you don't have to create any website, because this Banklify will create 100% done for you content for you. So you don't have to create any content, and you don't have to create any website, and you don't have to need your domain or hosting. And this is really cool, right? And this Banklify will also help you to rank your content on Google page 1, so you don't have to think about your visitors. Okay, and this Banklify will create unique content, so you don't have to worry about punished by Google in search results, because your content will be unique every time. And as I have said earlier, you don't need any hosting and domain, because Banklify going to cover the cost of hosting, and they will given you a free domain name as well. This is also really cool. And you can choose multiple templates for your website. So there are lots of templates, and you can choose one of them as your wish. And this Banklify has self-updating content, and so that your site will regularly fill itself with fresh brand new content on 24/7. And this is a 100% automated site, so it's allow you to enjoy ClickBank commissions even if you are away from your computer. And this is really very great. And all of these great things works in just 4 easy steps. I want to show you these steps. The step 1 is you have to choose your template. As I have said earlier, they have different templates. You have to choose one of them for your website. And in step 2, you have to enter your keyword. Then you have to input your ClickBank ID. For this, you must have to put your ClickBank ID inside this Banklify software, and then you have to press the save button, and Banklify will do rest of the work for you. It will rank your content on Google page 1 and everything for you. And this amazing software is going to launch as 24/7 at 10 EDT, and this is launched by Rick. And see, this is he is a really great vendor. He is top 10% vendor at Warrior Plus, and he is a elite vendor, and he got over 15,000 plus sales. And see, all of his products are really very good, and the ratings of his products is also great. So you can feel free to take Banklify, and if you get Banklify through my link, you will also get my exclusive bonuses worth over $33,000 plus in real world value. See, here is my exclusive bonuses worth over 30,000 plus dollars in real world value, and in my bonuses you will get YouTube Velocity. YouTube Velocity is a software that unlocks set and forget free bar traffic from Google and YouTube in just 15 minutes. Then you will get MIF. MIF is a discovery ad course and bonus page generator software. Then you get Gina. Gina is a complete plug and play push button solution. Then you get Genobia. Genobia basically solves the two biggest challenges that all newbies faces: how to get bad traffic and how to turn it into daily commissions. So you will get Genobia. Then you will get Cleopatra. Cleopatra automates the profit strategy on LinkedIn. Then you get Golden Stats. Golden Stats is a unique method to turn $10 into $215 over and over again. Then you will get Tweetex. Then affiliate marketing from all social media sites with Linktree. Then forget about Broke, Nova, Lazy Traffic Snipper, List Lariat, Aerial Assassin, Midas Touch. Then Traffic Underdog, Six Figure Secrets, Traffic Booster, 4 methods to make money with Instagram, affiliate takeoff, and lots more. See Profit Scope, Profit Force, Octagon, Elevate, and lots more. You can check it out. I have put the link in my description box. I have put my special link in my description box. You can check it out, and if you get a Banklify through my link, you will also get my exclusive bonuses worth over $33,000 plus in real world value. Now I would like to show you inside the members area of Banklify. So first of all, I will show you how to add your websites inside the Banklify. So for add your website, you have to go to the manage website, and then you have to click add website. Here you have to put your website name, what you want to give your website name. Then you have to put it here. Then you have to choose your website template. You can choose up to 5 templates. Then you have to choose your website logo. Then you have to put your contact email here and write a short content for your website. Then put your news API key, and then you have to put your ClickBank ID here. And after completing this process, you can also add your website footer, like you can put your Facebook profile URL, Instagram URL, Twitter, and site title, site description, and website favicon, everything. So you can set your website footer also, and after completing all this process, you have to click on the save website button, and your website will be created and saved on this Banklify. Okay, now after creating this website, you have to create categories. Now I will show you how to create categories. So create categories, you have to go to this section and go to manage categories, and then you have to create on add category. And in this section you have to put your category name. Here you can select your category name, and then you have to select your websites. Here you appear your previously created websites. Then you have to select your website and put your category name. Then click on the submit button, and your category will be created. Okay, and then how to add content to your category, this is very important. So to create content, you have to click on this manage campaign. So after you come to the manage campaign section, you have to create campaign. Then here you have to put your website leads. Here you can find your previously created websites. Then you have to choose your category, which category you want to put your content, and then you have to select your content type. Here you can select up to 5 content type, like you can create your own content source. Then you can use their done for you content source. See here lots of done for you content inside the Banklify. Okay, then you can also select news content, content source 1 and content source 2. So you can select all of the content. Then after selecting the content source, you have to click on this submit button, and your content will be published successfully and automatically. Yes, this is all of this. Now it's time for show you how to create inline keyword. So create inline keyword, you have to click on add inline keyword, and then you have to put your keyword to replace what keyword you want to replace. Then you have to put your targeted link, and here you have to put your website link and your category list and your post list. And after completing all of this, you have to put the submit button, and your inline keyword will be added. And now I will show you how to add advertisement. So create advertisement, you have to create on add advertisement, and here you have to put your website list. Then you have to select your advertise position like header banner or home page banner, sidebar or Google Analytics code, anything you want. And then you have to choose your advertisement type. You can select the advertisement script code, and if you select this, you have to write the script code. And if you select the advertisement banner, you have to select the banner image and banner targeted link. And after completing this, you have to click on the submit button, and your post will and your advertisement will be submitted. And all of this is done. And see, here is the training. In this section you will find all the training like how to add website, how to add campaign, everything. There are videos, so you don't have to worry about this. If you watch those videos, you can easily do everything inside this. Now I want to show you the vendor bonuses. And the vendor has given a very amazing bonuses. Now I want to show you this. Here is the sales page bonuses from the vendor. So you will get lots of bonuses from the vendor. See, this is bonus 1 is client exhauster. You can get paying client in one click using Google Maps API technology. And bonus 2 is EJ task manager and scheduler engine, and you can use this to organize your work and manage your time so you can deliver gigs on time. Okay, then you bonus 3 you get portfolio showcase tool, and your clients will a beautiful portfolio of animation graphics. And bonus 4 is image grab. You can turn social images into blog posts that drives traffic. And bonus 5 is viral suite. And bonus 6 is action stimulator. You can convert your traffic into instant buyer. This is a great bonus. And you can get your FB audience builder, and you will get instant publisher and pin book, get social tracker, and you can track unlimited social activities from one dashboard. And you will get traffic hover, and you can monetize any image shared on social media, and lots more. See here, lots of bonuses from this vendor. You can if you buy this Banklify, you will get all these bonuses from the vendor, and all the bonuses is really very helpful for you, I think. Okay, now I want to show you the upgrades of this Banklify. Okay, so in the Banklify front end, you can build and set and forget clickbait sites with automated content, and you can choose multiple website templates, and you can also get the commercial license and lot of things inside the front end with just $17. But in Auto 1, which is Banklify Pro, with this Auto 1 you can create unlimited clickbait affiliate sites. So there is no limit. You can create unlimited clickbait affiliate sites, and you can also create news articles for your clickbait sites, and you can also connect your custom domains to Banklify. And all of these great features you can get only just $37. Okay, and in Auto 2 you can unlock the Banklify worldwide module, which means you can build site in any language, and you can also translate your existing content to any language. And you can unlock opt-in form, FB comment section, live chat for sites, unlock another advanced content module, and like for Dailymotion, Vimeo, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and everything. And all of these great things you will just get only $37. And in Auto 3 you can get access to their premium traffic academy, and which they will show you how to 10x your sales from your ClickBank affiliate sites. This is also a great opportunity, and this great opportunity you will get only just $67. and in Auto 4 you will get the Banklify done for you. And with this Auto 4 you will allow to work one-on-one with their support team, and they will set up and build up done for you campaigns for you. And this great opportunity you will get only just $67. And Auto 5 is Banklify agency, and with this you can create and sell Banklify accounts for your clients, and you can get 100 license in $47, and with $67 you will get 250 license, and with just $127 you will get 50 license. This is also great. And Auto 6 is Banklify reseller, like you can sell Banklify and keep 100% profit for you, and this great opportunity you just get only $67. Okay, and this is all about the Banklify, and hope my review will help you for you, and this Banklify will really help you to get lots of ClickBank affiliate sales, because they will do everything for you, so you can enjoy passive commissions from the hottest offer from ClickBank. I think this is really great, and this will really very helpful for you, and I think my review will help you to make your decision whether to buy this Banklify or not. And if you have any questions about my review, then please ask in the comment section. I will try my best to answer them. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notification for every trending products review. And I have put the special link in my description below, and if you get Banklify through my links, you will also get my exclusive bonuses worth over $33,000 in real world value. So that's it, and thanks again everyone for watching my video till the end. Have a great day. See you on the next video.